Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule, which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for how we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. First step, simplify the innermost parentheses. First bracket is 4 multiplied by 5 and the second one 3 power cube multiplied by 2. Now first parenthesis 4 multiplied by 5 is equals to 20 and in the second parenthesis solve the exponent first. So now there is a 3 cube in which you will get 27 and after you have to multiply 27 by 2, it's get 54 as a result of the second bracket. So now according to this first step, brackets and exponent must be entirely cleared before moving the outwards and the expression becomes 80. So now the current expression becomes, move to the second step, simplify the square brackets. So now subtract inside the bracket is 90 minus 54 and it becomes 36 as a result. According to this second step, square brackets contain a single operation that must be completed before handling the operation outside and now the current expression becomes 80 divided by 20 plus 36. Move to the next step. Perform division. Now divide the values 80 divided by 20 is equals to 4. So according to this step, division take the precedence over addition in BODMAS and now the current expression becomes 4 plus 36. Move to the next step, perform addition and add the remaining terms. 4 plus 36 becomes 40 as a result. Now according to this expression by using the BODMAS sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 40 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.